Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Okay naman? Kung okay naman, edi mabuti. Ako ay okay naman din. Salamat. So, for today's audio, we will talk about love. Love para sa mga asawa nyo, para sa mga jowa nyo. Okay? Ito, gusto ko lang mag-share ng mga experiences ko. But I'm not a love expert. Hindi ako guru. These are just based from napagdaanan ko. So, sabi sa Bible, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it's not proud, it does not dishonor others, it's not self-seeking, it's not easily angered, it keeps no records of wrongs. Yan ay Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 5. So, kung ready ka na, ready na ako, simulan na natin. Una, love is patient. Pasensya daw, amigo, amiga, kung na-miss niya yung birthday, anniversary nyo. Pagbigyan mo na. Paalala mo na lang, malay mo madami siyang iniisip, nakalimutan niya, huwag mo nang palakihin. Kung may nakalimutan siyang bilin mo, sa susunod na lang. Pero kung sobrang importante, edi gawa natin ang paraan kaysa naman pag-awayan pa, 'di ba? Next, love is kind. Make sure andyan kayo para sa isa't isa, especially if it's something na may kinalaman sa family or sa relationship. Yung kind kasi dito, di lang siya attitude, but also act or deed. Make sure to do something good for your partner. Tulungan mo maglaba, tulungan mo maghugas, tulungan mo mag-alaga ng bata. Just to be there. Then, love does not envy. Pag love mo kasi yung isang tao, hindi ka kailanman makakaramdam ng inggit towards your partner. Sa lahat ng achievements na niya sa buhay, as a matter of fact, kabaliktaran, you should always be happy for your partner. You should always be his or her number one cheerleader. Love does not boast. Please don't talk to your partner insensitively that will make them feel little of themselves. Hindi porket ikaw yung breadwinner, ikaw na yung laging tama at magaling. No. Love is not proud. Kung meron man kayong misunderstanding, ikaw na yung unang mag-sorry. Huwag masyadong ma-pride. Pero depende yan sa case ng misunderstanding. Minsan, kailangan mo din iparamdam sa partner mo yung estado ng issue. Susunod, it does not dishonor others. Respect. Simple. Facebook passwords, wag. If ibigay sa'yo, alright. Pero kung hindi, huwag mong pilitin. It does not mean that you're married, that you're couple, that you're in a relationship, that you can interfere with your partner's life and private, emails or Facebook. It's his, it's hers. May reason why, even if it's tempting, just don't do it. It's for your own sanity. Also, another example, never badmouth your partner sa ibang tao, especially sa friends and family mo. Whatever na nangyayari inside your relationship, it should just stay there dahil kayo lang naman din yung makakasolve niyan in one way or another. Next, my friends, love is not self-seeking. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang ako. Bakit ikaw nagagawa mo yung gusto mo? Bakit ako hindi? Remember that once you're married, once you're a couple, there's no more I's and there's no more you's anymore. Ang meron na lang we, kayong dalawa. So, just to make it short, you need to be selfless. Hindi puro ikaw. should be sila. Kasama sila dapat sa plano mo. Kasama dapat siya sa plano mo. Hindi puro sarili mo. Next, it's not easily angered. Huwag yung konting kibot, galit, konting di pagkakaintindihan, away agad. Di ba pwedeng palagpasin lang, especially kung super petty lang naman yung pinagmulan, kesa naman may masabi ka pa that you will regret, di ba? And of course, last but not the least, it keeps no record of wrongs. Huwag mo na ibalik yung mga dating issue nyo. Kahit pa connected yun sa present na argument nyo. Pareho lang kayong masasaktan yan. Kung ano yung issue, at hand, at present, yun lang. No more, no less. Also, don't keep tabs of your partner's mistakes. Once the argument is done, it's done. Don't bring out the skeletons in the closet. Also, huwag kayong magbilangan ng mali. Meron ba kayong listahan? Padamihan ba to? Hindi ganon, friend. Okay, so that's it, guys. I mean, sobrang ikli lang. Pinaikli ko lang. I hope na meron kayong nakuha in one way or another, and I hope nakatulong, especially pag medyo feeling down ka at sad ka dahil medyo nagkatampuhan kayo ng jowa mo. So at least meron kang mapapakinggan to help you understand or para medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam nyo. If meron kayong mga violent reactions, leave your comments below. If meron kayong mga other suggestions na pwede nating pag-usapan for my next video, yun ay kung gusto nyo pa. Also, leave your comments down below. Also, baka naman, gusto mo lang namang mag-subscribe, walang pilitan. Pwede ka mag-subscribe to hear more about this. So, for now, bye muna and see you on my next video/audio. Bye. Thank you.